In today's Monday little music theory lesson, I wanted to show you a really effective line from going from 5 back to 1. So if we're in the key of F major, we have a C dominant chord going back to F. Or you can have a 2-5. So here's the line. So over C dominant, C7, you want to play this. And that last note is the third of F major 7. And so what's happening is you're outlining a D flat major 7 chord. And you're resolving to F major 7. And so this is the flat 6 chord of F major. But you don't really got to get into that necessarily. All you need to know is this is F. There's the major 7 that you want to target. So here's how you play it. The first thing you want to do is just find your major 7 arpeggio. So here on the 9th fret, you've got D flat, F, A, and C. That's the root, the 3rd, the 5th, and the major 7th of D flat. And you want to approach the D flat, the root, by a half step. And then climb up the arpeggio. And then once you get here, it's a chromatic enclosure targeting the note A. So all that means is, so here's our target note, right? And you want to approach it 3 chromatic notes from above. So we're going to walk up 3 notes. So here. And then you're going to go a chromatic note below your target note, A flat, and then resolving up to your target note A. So it sounds like this. To make the fingering a little easier, I'm going to put this A flat down here. So it's going to be like this. So all together it sounds like this. Really nice, really effective. So the exact rhythm that's happening is you have an 8th note going into a quarter note triplet. So you've got 3 notes in the space of 1 quarter note. Right there. And then you land on the major 7th, and this is the start of the chromatic enclosure. So you're going to descend 3 notes, go to A flat, and then up a half step. So all together it sounds like this. Really cool. So you can do that in other locations also. So there's the note A. There's the F chord. There's D flat. So we're going to do the exact same thing. And you could also do this. Right. So there's a lot of different fingerings you could use. You can also do it up an octave. So here's F major 7 up here. There's our target note. Excuse me, that's the, here's F. There's D flat. So here's the line up here. Play it that way, or there's a lot of different fingerings you could do. Then you can just continue on. Oh, sorry. To whatever else you're going to play. Anyway, give that a try. I'll include the tabs and the sheet music for reference.